Hey people, I am coming on to give you a product review on the Indian Hemp and Tamu Co-Wash. Now, I just thought I would try this because I usually use Tresemme conditioner to pre-poo, but I love their conditioner, their deep conditioner so much, so I thought I would try the Co-Wash, and girl, can I tell you that this stuff is life to my hair. This stuff is a creamy light conditioner, which you can see right here, and it melts so good. It melts right in my fingers and it melts right onto your hair like butter, and it has a nice smell. It's not my most favorite smell, kind of perfumey, but this stuff has really done, like, as far as like when you use it, there's no breakage, it actually helps mend the ends of your hair, like the split ends. You don't have no split ends after you use this. It has bamboo and garlic. Can't see. It's Mani, I believe, coconut in it, and then it has garlic powder, garlic extract. I'm sorry, not garlic powder, garlic extract. And it's fortified and softens. And when I say it softens your hair after you use it, your hair is like you can just comb your hair straight through. And it's like no popping off, you know, like sometimes when your hair be snagging. It's none of that. This stuff is, I love it. You know, what I found with my natural hair journey is that once you really find out the products that you want to use in your hair, you save money because you're not experimenting, you're not exploring. So the product junkie stage for me is pretty much over. So it's pretty hard now to make videos because I'm not trying and experimenting as much as I used to. I pretty much am sticking with the same products that I know work in my hair. So coming up with content has been a little bit of a struggle for me because I don't really know what to actually post on the videos to help, you know, my viewers. If you want to actually make a comment below and just let me know what your struggles are, what products have you found helpful in your hair journey. I would love to hear, you know, your thoughts on that. I am pretty much out of ideas as far as product reviews because I know exactly what is working in my hair. And I have shared pretty much all of my, all of the products that I'm using. I'll feature a length check and kind of like, this is my hair is put in a bun today, so you're not going to be able to see that. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure the direction on this channel. I'm pretty much just posting, like, you know, whatever I find that is helpful to other people. I'm not sure. I pretty much have, yeah, that's it. If you have any ideas or if there's anything you want me to feature differently on the channel, just let me know and drop that in the link. And please turn your notification bell on. That gives me, whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to see my video. So if you're just dropping in and you have not really seen any of my other videos, I'll give you some, you know, examples up top where you can click and just see a few more of my videos, different videos up top. So that's pretty much it. I may do a shopping haul because I just recently bought a few things. This is actually one of them that I'm wearing today, and it's just comfortable. It's very soft material, very light, perfect for summer. Today is like 87 degrees, I believe, so it is like just beautiful. It's a very thin texture and it's just real comfortable and casual. So I'm going to probably be featuring some more of the things that I bought the same day that I got this jersey. So I may just do a lookbook. That would be something different on my channel, which I had never done before. So not making any promises, but if I get around to it, I will actually upload that, shoot a video and upload that. And besides that, I am out. And have a great Memorial Day weekend, and we will chat later. Bye.